While the world was watching, China and America raced to build bigger AI models, a lab in Tokyo did something completely different. Sakana AI, co-founded by one of the authors of the original Transformer paper, just launched Fugu. And it is not a bigger model at all. It is a conductor. Here is the twist. Fugu is itself an AI, but instead of answering everything alone, it orchestrates a whole pool of other models. You send one prompt to one API. Behind the scenes, Fugu picks the best model for each part of the task, delegates the work, verifies it, and synthesizes a single answer. The entire team stays invisible. You just get the result. It comes in two flavors. Regular Fugu is fast, tuned for everyday coding and chat. Fugu Ultra is the flagship, coordinating a deeper pool of expert agents for hard, multi-step problems like AI research, cybersecurity, and patent analysis. And the benchmarks are genuinely surprising. On Sakana's own numbers, Fugu Ultra scores 95.5 on GPQA Diamond Science, 93.2 on LiveCodeBench, and 82.1 on Terminal Bench. That puts it at number 1, above Fable 5 and Opus 4.8. It does not win everything. Fable 5 still beats it on the hardest coding and exam benchmarks. But matching the frontier without being one giant model, that is the headline. So what can it actually do? Sakana ran 6 brutal tests. It improved another AI's training recipe over 14 hours and 100 experiments. It beat frontier models at sequential stock trading. It played for games of blindfold chess and won every single one, while the other models lost track of the board. It designed a working mechanical iris in CAD. It wrote a Rubik's Cube solver from scratch that solved all 300 cubes more efficiently than its rivals. And it even decoded the reading order of a 400-year-old Japanese letter. But here is the catch, and it is a big one. In a real-world test, building a live trader desk, Fugu Ultra produced the most polished result. But it cost 51 cents, while GLM 5.2 delivered a nearly identical interface for just 3 cents. That is 17 times more expensive for a similar outcome. And not everyone is convinced. One early tester blew through their entire 5-hour usage limit in a single prompt and found Fugu's 3D game noticeably worse than GPT 5.5. So treat these benchmarks, which are Sakana's own, with healthy skepticism until outside tests land. Now the bigger picture. Sakana frames Fugu as a hedge against AI concentration. When export controls hit models like Fable and Mythos, access can vanish overnight. Because Fugu orchestrates a swappable pool of agents, it simply routes around restrictions. They call it a blueprint for AI sovereignty. Pricing starts at $20 a month, all models included through one key, with your second month free if you subscribe before July 31st. There is no free tier, it is closed source, and it is not in the EU yet. One giant model is no longer the only path to the frontier. Sometimes the smartest model is the one that knows which other models to call. Follow for more on the AI frontier.